Hey guys, how are you feeling today? Because I've got something a little tempting to show you. Most people turn on their Android TV, open the same safe apps, and call it a night. But if you're the type who likes to explore what's really possible, you're going to enjoy this. Today, I'm taking you behind the curtain of your Google TV, OnBox, or NVIDIA Shield to uncover a hidden world of spicy entertainment that stays quietly off the radar. We're talking about a carefully curated vault of spicy movies and live TV that adds a whole new kind of heat to your screen. And don't worry, this isn't reckless or sketchy. I'll show you the most private and stress-free way to set this up so everything stays smooth, secure, and comfortable. If your streaming life has been feeling a little too predictable lately, stick with me. Follow every step, don't rush ahead, and by the end of this video, your TV is going to feel very different.
First things first, go back to your home screen, then slowly look up at the top menu and move all the way over to that little gear icon in the top right corner. Yeah, that one. Select it, press the center button, and open Settings. Now scroll down, keep going until you land on System, tap the center button again, then scroll down just a bit more, find About, and select it. From here, move all the way down until you see Android TV OS Build. Now here's the important part. Press the center button on your remote 7 times, not fast, just steady. 1, 2, 3, keep going. And after the 7th press, you'll see a little message pop up, letting you know that developer options are now enabled. And just like that, you've unlocked the next level. Alright, now that part's done, go ahead and press the home button on your remote. Take yourself back to the home screen. From the top menu, slide over to Apps, then gently scroll down until you spot the search bar, press the center button, and let that on-screen keyboard pop up. Now type in Downloader, nice and slow, make sure it's spelled correctly. And hey, quick reminder, if I'm moving a little fast, just pause the video, relax, I'm not going anywhere. Once you've typed it in, select the Go or magnifying glass button. Give it a second to load. This will bring up the correct app. Downloader by AFTV News, select it, and you'll land on the apps page with all the details. Now press the center button once, let it start downloading and installing. Wait until it hits 100%. It might take a moment or two, totally normal, just stay patient. The good news is, this setup only has to be done once. You'll never have to repeat these steps again, and when it's finished, you'll see Open, press the center button, and let's jump right in. Alright, once the app finishes loading, and you open it for the first time, you might see a small pop-up box appear. Nothing to worry about, just press the center button, and it'll disappear. Now this app lets you visit almost any website. So go ahead, press the center button twice, bring up the on-screen keyboard, and get ready to type in a web address, because I'm about to take you somewhere special. This is a private app store I put together just for you. A lot of time went into handpicking the best apps, keeping everything updated, tested, smooth, and working the way it should. And the only thing I ask in return for maintaining it, creating these videos, and helping you out in the comments is that you hit the subscribe button. That's your way of saying thank you, and trust me, it helps the channel more than you realize. And if you're already subscribed, seriously, I appreciate you more than you know. Now that you're part of the community, go ahead, enter the code you see on the screen, take your time, no rush, I'm right here with you, and if you need to pause again, do it, I'm here all the way, just for you guys. Alright, once the code is entered correctly, go ahead and highlight the little magnifying glass or check mark, press the center button, then scroll down to Go, and press the center button again to continue. Now if you see a message like connection error or check link, don't stress, that just means your connection is being blocked. So this is where you turn on your VPN, or simply switch to a different location, and that usually fixes it right away. Once it starts loading, you'll notice a small red circle appear on the screen. Sometimes a box may pop up too, and if it does, just move that red circle over the box. Press the center button and let it continue. If nothing pops up, no problem, it'll load on its own. Now give it a little time. This part can take a bit. There are a lot of apps loading in the background, so just relax, be patient, everything's working, and once the page fully opens, move the red circle all the way up to the top search bar. It'll automatically highlight, then slowly scroll all the way to the right until you land on the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. Select it. A menu will slide out. Scroll down to full screen mode, press the center button to confirm, and just like that, you'll have a clean, smooth, easy-to-use interface. This platform is insanely powerful, giving you access to over 275 exclusive apps, and to make things even easier, I've marked my personal favorites with the Top Apps badge. Those are the absolute best of the best, and honestly, if you only install those, you won't need anything else. Alright, now this part is extremely important, so don't skip it. You want to make sure your VPN is turned on, because without it, your IP address can actually be visible right on the screen. And yeah, we don't want that. So now, once that's taken care of, scroll down just a little more until you reach Search and Filters. This is where things get really easy. From here, you can pick a specific category and instantly see only the apps that match it. No digging, no scrolling forever, just exactly what you're looking for. Each app also comes with its own description, so you know what it does and what to expect before installing anything. And in just a moment, I'm going to walk you through installing my top recommended apps step by step. But for this quick demo, go ahead, on Search and Filters, select the category called Spicy Examples, and let's start getting the good stuff together. All right, now pay attention, because the very first app I want you to install, the one sitting right at the top with that shiny Top App number 1 badge, is IPVanish, and yeah, this one is non-negotiable. If you want everything to work smoothly, privately, and without annoying interruptions, this is the secret sauce. Honestly, almost every issue people complain about, downloads failing, apps not opening, things not loading, that's all connection blocking. And IPVanish handles that for you. Quietly, automatically, no drama. Now listen, go ahead and press the home button on your remote, ease back to the home screen. From the top menu, slide over to Apps, scroll down slowly until you see the search bar. Press the center button, let that keyboard pop up, type in IPVanish, nice and slow, spell it clean, and hey, if I'm moving too fast, just pause the video, relax. I'm right here. Once it's typed in, select the Go or magnifying glass, give it a second. This brings up the correct app, select it. You'll land on the app page, press the center button once, let it download, let it install, wait for it to hit 100%. Totally normal if it takes a moment, just breathe. This is a one-time setup. You'll never have to do it again. And when you see open, press the center button, because once IPVanish is running, everything you're about to unlock just works smoothly, effortlessly, exactly the way it should. Okay guys, pause right here for me. Don't rush. This is the part you really don't want to skip. Before we go any further, you need to turn the VPN on. Trust me, this is what keeps everything smooth, private, and working exactly the way you want it to. Once the VPN opens, just log in. And if you don't have an account yet, relax. I've made this easy. Grab your phone or your computer, open your browser, and go to the website you see on the screen. Or, if you like things quick and effortless, just scan that little QR code sitting there waiting for you. I've also placed the link in the description and pinned it in the comments, so it's always right where you need it. Pick the plan that feels right. You can even start with just 1 month, try it, see how smooth everything becomes, and once you sign up, they'll send you a simple email, username, password, that's it. Turn it on, settle back, and suddenly, no blocks, no interruptions, no worries, just you, your screen, and everything flowing exactly the way it should. Alright, now go ahead. Log into the IPVanish app and gently press Connect. A box will appear. Just slide over and click on OK to confirm. Feel that little moment where everything just locks in. Now stay with me, because I want to show you 2 important settings. Select the gear icon inside the app. A menu will slide open. You'll see Connect on Android Startup and Auto Connect on IPVanish Launch. Turn both of those on. Just press the center button, and once they're enabled, You don't have to think about your VPN ever again. Every time you turn on your device, it connects automatically. No checking, no interruptions, no pausing your movie. It just quietly takes care of you. Now that we're secure, protected, and everything's flowing the way it should, let's go grab some more spicy apps. Press the home button, let it load again. Head back to your app list, open Downloader again. First thing we do is move that little red circle all the way up to the search bar. Then scroll to the right and hit go so we can refresh the page with our VPN turned on. Yeah, it's a bit annoying, but trust me, it's worth it for that clean view. Now scroll to the right, select the menu with the 3 horizontal lines. Press it, choose full screen mode, and one last thing, just to be sure, scroll down to search and filters and make sure we're still in the spicy examples category, because that's exactly where the good stuff lives. All right, now slowly scroll down and you'll see the first one waiting for you. The app marked with the top app badge number 2, this one right here, and yes, this is my absolute favorite. It gives you access to live TV, pay-per-view, and adult content. Honestly, it doesn't get better than this. Move your cursor over to it. Press the center button, give it a moment to load, and you'll land on the app's description page. Take a second, scroll all the way down until you see download, press the center button, and let it start. Now stay with me. This part can take a little time. Totally normal. Just relax. Once it finishes, a small box will pop up asking for permission. Select Settings. You'll be taken to a menu. Find Downloader, press the center button, and toggle. Allow from this source to on. Smooth, easy. After that, you'll be brought right back to the install screen. Scroll over, select Install, and wait patiently while it finishes setting itself up. Give it a moment or two. When it's done, scroll over to Done, press the center button. Now we don't need that leftover file anymore. So scroll to Delete, press the center button, then confirm Delete one more time. Clean, simple. And just like that, we're back in the store, ready to keep installing even more amazing apps. All right, let's slip back into full screen mode again. Move that little red circle all the way up to the search bar. Yeah, I know, it's a tiny bit annoying, but trust me, that clean full screen view is worth it. Now slowly scroll to the right until you land on the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. Press the center button, let the menu slide open, select full screen mode, nice and clean. Once that's done, press the return button on your remote and you'll be right back where we need to be. Now scroll down gently, back to the categories section, select spicy examples, and stay with me, because we're just getting warmed up. All right, let's keep moving. Scroll down slowly, and there it is. The next app waiting for you. This one's also perfect for all your spicy content. Move your cursor over to it, press the center button, give it a moment to load, and you'll land on its description page. Take your time, scroll all the way down until you see download, press the center button, and let it start, depending on your internet speed. This might take a minute or two. Totally normal. Stay with me. We're almost there. Once the download finishes, you'll be taken straight to the install screen, scroll over, select install, and let it do its thing. Sometimes it's super fast, sometimes it takes a moment. Either way, just relax when it's done. Scroll over to Done, press the center button. Now we don't need that extra file hanging around anymore. So scroll to Delete, press the center button, then confirm Delete one more time. Clean, smooth, and just like that, we're right back in the store, ready to keep exploring even more. All right, once again, let's slip back into full screen mode. You know the drill by now. Then gently press the return button once, maybe twice. Take your time. And hey, if I'm moving a little fast, just pause the video, relax. I'm not going anywhere. Now for the final time. Scroll down to the categories section, select spicy examples again. And here we are. Take a look at this. This is the app I really wanted to showcase for you today. Perfect for spicy content. Move your cursor over to it, press the center button, give it a moment to load, and you'll land on its description page. From here, scroll all the way down, select download, and let it start, depending on your internet speed. This might take a minute or two, but stay with me. We're almost done. Once the download finishes, you'll be taken to the install screen. Scroll over, select install, give it one last moment. I promise, this is the final wait. And when it's done, Scroll over to Done, press the center button. Now we don't need that extra file anymore. So scroll to Delete, press the center button, confirm delete one more time, clean, smooth, and just like that, we're right back in the store, everything ready, everything flowing, exactly the way it should. Hey guys, see, it really is that simple. We just installed 3 really great apps together, but don't stop there. This store actually gives you access to over 275 apps, so don't limit yourself to just the few little examples I showed you today. My personal favorites are clearly marked with that Top Apps badge. Those are the ones I use myself. Every single day, take your time, explore, scroll around, download as many as you feel like trying. There's no rush. They're all completely free, and honestly, half the fun is discovering what you like best. So relax, enjoy it, and make this setup your own. All right, guys, now that you've finished downloading everything you wanted, go ahead and press the home button on your remote because I want to show you something really nice. Just like before, head up to the top menu, slide over to Apps, then scroll down slowly until you reach Your Apps. This is where everything you just installed is waiting for you. From here, select Reorder Apps, and now you're in control. Move your favorite apps right to the front, exactly where you want them. No clutter, no digging. Take a moment, arrange it the way that feels right to you, and once you're happy with it, scroll over, select Done, and that's it. From now on, every single time you land on your home screen, all your apps are right there, quick, easy, effortless, exactly the way streaming should feel. All right, guys, just one last thing before you start opening any of the apps we installed, whether you're settling in for movies, TV shows, sports, live channels, or pay-per-view. Make sure your VPN is turned on first. That little step keeps everything private, protected, and flowing nice and smooth every single time. And honestly, I just want to say thank you, truly, to everyone who follows, supports, and shows up here with me. It means more than you probably realize. And it's what keeps me motivated to keep bringing you more. So thank you for watching. Enjoy everything you just unlocked. Drop a comment and tell me how it's going. And I'll see you again very soon in the next video.